Hi folks, welcome back. So a bit more progress, again not as much as I'd liked, but the exhaust is fitted, and as you can see it's not completely tied up because I've got a couple of M10 bolts I need to fit to get the bracket for the downpipe in place. It was an absolute bastard to get it in, so I had to take out the bottom boost pipe, drop the anti-roll bar off, remove the centre cross member, take off or undo both of the gearbox mounts, and then jack the gearbox up just to get that bloody thing in, because obviously it wasn't up on a ramp, but it's in. All of that's put back together, so the end of another nightmare. I've also re-wrapped the wiring loom, ready to put the tub back on, and I've also bled the brakes in. So I've got the clutch to do, and that was something else I had to take off. I had to take the slave cylinder for the clutch off because I couldn't get it past it. But I've got the clutch to put the fluid and bleed in as well, so that's quite a bit of progress. So next weekend when I come up, it is hopefully locate the bracket on the front of the downcomer on the front pipe, and then tie up the rest of the exhaust, button it up tight, so I'm happy with it, and then I can put the tub on. So happy days, and that's a big step as far as I'm concerned, because once the tub's on, I can put the seat box in, I can fit the battery tray to the seat box, put the battery in, and yada yada yada, it just snowballs on from there. So yeah, thanks again for watching. I didn't get as much done. I got the one shot swivel grease to go in, which should only be 20 minutes unless I fuck someone up royally, like tends to happen. But yeah, happy with the progress. So thanks very much for tuning in. See you on the next one.